In today's video, I'm going to teach you to turn off XFINITY TV reminders. If you've been getting pop-ups before a show and want a quieter viewing experience, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to disable those alerts for specific programs and where to adjust broader notification settings if you need to. Start by picking up your XFINITY remote and pressing the XFINITY button to open the main menu. This brings up the primary navigation bar where you can access your saved items, apps, and settings. If your screen looks a little different, don't worry, menu layouts can vary slightly, but the button takes you to the same place. From the main menu, move to Saved, then choose Scheduled. The Scheduled section is where your upcoming recordings, reminders, and planned shows are listed in one place. Think of it as your calendar for TV, which makes it the easiest spot to manage reminders you no longer want. Scroll through the list and find the program you don't want to be reminded about anymore. Select that program to open its options. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right show and time, especially if there are multiple airings. Once you've highlighted the correct listing, you're ready to turn off the alert. Choose the option labeled "Don't Remind Me." After you select it, the reminder for that specific program will be disabled, and you shouldn't see a pop-up for it when it's about to start. If you have several shows with reminders set, just repeat this on each one in the scheduled list. It only takes a few seconds per program. If you also want to manage notifications more broadly, say reduce certain alerts across devices, you can review your notification preferences in the XFINITY app or adjust account alerts on the XFINITY website. Look for sections related to notifications or account alerts to fine-tune what you receive. This is helpful if you'd like fewer prompts overall, not just for a single show. And that's it. By opening the main menu, heading to Saved and then Scheduled, selecting the program and choosing Don't Remind Me, you've turned off reminders for that show. It's a simple change that can make your TV time feel more streamlined. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same area and re-enable a reminder. Thanks for watching and enjoy your shows without unnecessary interruptions.